Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Monday.com to manage editorial teams effectively. Our first step is to create a new board. You can select from pre-made templates or create a custom one. Let's go for an editorial calendar template. This step is critical because it gives us a framework to work within and tailor to our team's specific needs. With our board set up, we're ready to add our team members. You just need to click on the Invite button and enter their email addresses. This helps us because it ensures everyone on our team has access to the board and can collaborate in real time. Next up, we'll establish our workflow. Start by adding the necessary columns for your editorial process. Common examples include assignee, due date, and status. The reason we do this is to clearly define the stages each task must go through before it's considered complete. Now that we've done that, it's time to populate our board with tasks. Simply click the plus new item button, then enter the task name, assignee, and due date. This is vital because it allows us to distribute responsibilities and keep track of upcoming deadlines. Lastly, let's activate the automation features. Choose from a variety of options like when status changes to done, notify assignee. Automations reduce manual effort and ensure that everyone is aware of task updates. Now, let me explain why this matters. Monday.com, when used effectively, can streamline your editorial process, foster collaboration, and improve overall productivity. It's a powerful tool that allows you to visually manage your workflow and keep your team in sync. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to use Monday.com to manage your editorial team. Remember, the key is to customize the tool to fit your team's unique needs and workflow. With practice, you'll be a Monday.com pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.